In today's video, I'm showing you exactly how to qualify for the ZkSync Airdrop. It is going to be one of the biggest airdrop in 2023, where you can potentially earn hundreds and even up to thousands of dollars with less than an hour's work. ZkSync is a layer 2 protocol that is set to scale Ethereum with the zero knowledge infrastructure. The ZK rollup means ZkSync is more affordable in terms of fees, and it is more quicker than the Ethereum Layer-1 while still maintaining speed and security. The ZkSync uses ZK rollups as scaling technology, where hundreds of transactions are batched into one transaction, which is then verified and secured by Ethereum. ZkSync just launched their mainnet recently, which is similar to how Arbitrum launched, that is launching the mainnet without a token. So we are going to be looking at possible airdrop criteria similar to what Arbitrum used. So with ZkSync's potential airdrop coming in soon, let's go over what Arbitrum used as the criteria. So on Arbitrum, to get qualified for the airdrop, you need to have bridged into Arbitrum 1 or Arbitrum Nova. You need to have conducted transactions within 2 distinct months, 6 distinct months, or 9 distinct months. And you need to have conducted more than 4 different transactions or interacted with at least 4 smart contracts, or 10 transactions, 10 smart contracts, or 25 transactions, 25 smart contracts. Also, there's a transaction value attached to the Arbitrum airdrop. You need to have conducted transaction that is worth over $10,000 in aggregate value, $50,000 in aggregate value, or $250,000 in aggregate value. Now, to qualify for the Arbitrum airdrop, then you don't have to pass through or be successful in all of these criteria. What you just have to do is to be successful in at least 2 of these criteria. People that got the minimum Arbitrum airdrop just actually breached into Arbitrum 1 or Arbitrum Nova and conducted at least transactions in 2 distinct months. With these 2 criteria, people got up to $700 worth of Arbitrum airdrop. Alright, so the first step is to create a decentralized wallet. For this, you can use wallets like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, SafePal, and any other decentralized wallet. So I'm going to be using MetaMask for this, right? So you're going to create a MetaMask wallet, and you need to write down your secret phrase. Keep it safe. So I already have a MetaMask wallet that I am going to use right here, and the default network on MetaMask is Ethereum. So you're going to have Ethereum network automatically set to your MetaMask. So once you have your MetaMask set up like this, you need to add the ZkSync network to your wallet, right? You're going to use a website known as chainlist.org. So once you come to chainlist.org, you are going to connect your wallet right here. And once my account is connected, you can add a lot of EVM compatible networks or blockchains on your MetaMask. So we are going to be searching for ZkSync. Yeah, so this is ZkSync Era mainnet. So we are going to be adding ZkSync to our wallet. So add to MetaMask, allow it to load, and then you approve. So this is not going to charge you any gas fee. It will just add ZkSync to your MetaMask, and it is going to switch from Ethereum to ZkSync. Alright, so if I go to my wallet now, you can see I'm on ZkSync Era mainnet right now, and the default token is Ethereum because they don't have a ZkSync token yet, right? So we are trying to position for the ZkSync token airdrop, right? So now, how do I fund my ZkSync Era, and how do I position for the airdrop? Alright, so once you add the network to your MetaMask, we want to deposit Ethereum on Ethereum blockchain into our wallet. Then we bridge that Ethereum on Ethereum blockchain to Ethereum on ZkSync blockchain. And with that, we are going to tick the first box. So I'm going to go over to my exchange on my phone and send in some Ethereum on Ethereum mainnet into my wallet. So to deposit Ethereum, you can use any exchange of your choice. I'm going to be using the Binance exchange. And you can also send from decentralized wallets like this if you have Ethereum on it. All you just have to do is to send Ethereum into the wallet you want to use to position for the ZkSync airdrop. So I just sent some Ethereum from my Binance account into my MetaMask account. Alright, so we now have our Ethereum in the wallet. Now we can proceed with the first criteria for the airdrop, which is to bridge into the ZkSync network. So now I am going to be bridging. So this is the bridge, portal.zksync.io/bridge. The links to all of these websites will be in the description box down below. So I'm going to be bridging 0.08 Ethereum to the Ethereum on ZkSync Era mainnet, right? So once I click on deposit, the gas fee is about $8 right now. So I'll hit on confirm right here, and the transaction has been submitted. So I'm going to go back to balances, and I'm going to wait now I can check this transaction on the ZkSync Explorer. So I'm going to go to Block Explorer right here. Alright, so on the Explorer, I'm going to put in my wallet address just to check out my transaction, and I can also refresh this from here, copy my wallet address. So this should take roughly 5 minutes for it to bridge from ETH on ETH mainnet to ETH on ZkSync mainnet. Alright, so it is not even up to 5 minutes, this is just roughly about 1 minute, and now we have our ETH on ZkSync Airdrop. So by doing this, we have ticked the first criteria for the airdrop, which says bridge to ZkSync Airdrop. Now we've bridged to ZkSync Airdrop. Now once we bridge and we can see our funds right here on ZkSync Airdrop, the next thing for us to do is to actually perform transactions. So it says perform transaction in 2 distinct months. So if you do this in April, that means by next month you should perform another transaction on your ZkSync Airdrop. Now the transaction I'm going to perform right now is to actually trade with some DeFi protocols on ZkSync Airdrop. So now there are some decentralized exchanges already on ZkSync, which I'm going to be using right now and which you should use too. So we're going to be using the Moot decentralized exchange, and which is moot.io. Now you can check for other working DeFi protocols on ZkSync by going to the ZkSync ecosystem right here, but I don't want to bore you with too many DeFi protocols, so we are going to be using DeFi protocols that I have tested and used in the past and that you should use too, that will potentially give you this ZkSync airdrop. So right now I'm going to be using moot.io. So this is Moot. I'm going to be entering the Moot app. So using Moot.io is similar to you trading on Uniswap, for example, or PancakeSwap and all these decentralized exchanges. So we are going to be trading on Moot. We're going to be performing 4 transactions right now. Alright, so this is the Moot.io/swap website. So we're going to be connecting our wallet right here. So once you connect your wallet to Moot, what you want to do now is to perform at least 4 transactions right now. Now you don't have to perform the whole 4 transactions at a go, right? You can basically swap between tokens that are less volatile, that won't make you lose your money. So you don't have to buy highly volatile tokens. So you can swap between ETH and USDC, swap back to ETH and the like. So you can do this multiple times as much as possible. The gas fee for this is about $1, which we are going to do right now. So let's swap from, we have ETH. Let's swap from ETH to, let's say, USDC. So I'm going to be swapping $57 worth of ETH to USDC. So I'm going to confirm the transaction in my wallet. Alright, so our swap has been confirmed right here. Our gas fee was refunded and it cost $0 to swap. So this is the first swap. I can do this once more, maybe swap from USDC maybe to ETH back, but I won't swap everything. Let's say $20 of USDT back to ETH. Approve my transaction. Okay, so I'm going to approve the amount of USDC I have in my wallet first before I approve. So this is just me approving the smart contract to spend my USDC. So you can do this as much as possible. You don't have to do all these transactions once. You can just leave your money in ZkSync Airdrop, come there today, bridge. These are the things that will make your criteria to get the airdrop stronger. It's not as if you just bridge once in a day and expect the airdrop to come to you. You have to use, they giving airdrop means they believe you are using their platform to trade. Basically, they believe you are using ZkSync Airdrop. Alright, so once that transaction is successful, what we want to do right now is to check our transaction on the Blockchain Explorer, to check the amount of transactions we've done, and also to go into the ZkSync ecosystem and look for another smart contracts that we can play around with, that we can use to get positioned for the airdrop. And one of the rules says we should trade in 2 distinct months. No, that means I have traded in April now. By next month I should trade again on ZkSync Airdrop to make my position for airdrop stronger. One also says to do at least 4 transactions. We've done 2 now. If you do 2 next month again, that makes our position stronger. So these are the things that makes your airdrop position strong. You don't have to just trade once and just leave it and think you'll get the airdrop. You just have to keep trading at least once a month to make your position strong for the airdrop. Alright, so you can come back to the ecosystem, check out other platforms like the NFT minting website, mint an NFT or buy an NFT on the website, or just keep using moot.io. But because one of the criteria for Arbitrum is that you should trade on at least 4 smart contracts, so you can try to use other NFT. If you are an NFT person, you can try to mint an NFT, buy an NFT, use other DeFi protocols, use other decentralized exchanges on this platform, and then you make your position for the airdrop stronger. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be bringing you more airdrop contents like this. I'm going to be posting videos on SU blockchain, layer 0 blockchain, Polygon, ZK EVM, Stacknet, and other important blockchains that are running an airdrop in 2023.